Someone just filled out your contact form. Name, phone number, email, everything you need to close the deal. And then, nothing happened. It didn't go anywhere. No alert, no follow-up, just another row buried in your inbox, right next to the spam. 3 days later, they hired your competitor. Not because your competitor was better, because your competitor called first. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a system that catches every single lead the moment it comes in, logs it into a clean CRM automatically, and sends you an instant notification on your phone. No spreadsheets, no copy-paste, no missed calls. Let's get into it. Let me tell you about Dave. Dave runs a roofing company. 5 guys on the crew, solid reputation, good reviews on Google. Business is okay, but it could be a lot better. Here's Dave's current lead system. A customer finds him online, fills out his contact form, and the submission lands in his Gmail inbox, right next to newsletters, invoices, and a coupon from Home Depot. Sometimes Dave sees it the same day. Sometimes he sees it 3 days later. Sometimes he doesn't see it at all. And when he does see it, he copies the name and phone number into an Excel spreadsheet, manually, one by one. The spreadsheet has 11 columns. Nobody updates the status column, and it hasn't been touched since February. Sound familiar? Here's what that costs Dave. Studies show that if you don't follow up with a lead within 5 minutes, your chances of actually reaching them drop by 400%. 400, not 40, 400. Because that lead submitted 3 other contact forms the same day, and whoever called first got the job. Dave isn't losing business because he's bad at roofing. He's losing business because his lead system runs on hope. And hope is not a strategy. What Dave needs is a machine. Something that catches every lead the moment it arrives, stores it in one clean place, and screams at him to call back. Automatically, every single time. That's exactly what we're building today.
So here's the machine we're building today. 4 tools. Connected like pipes on a factory floor. Tally is the faucet. That's your contact form, the entry point where leads come in. The moment someone hits submit, water starts flowing. Make.com is the pipe. It carries that data from point A to point B automatically. No human involved, no copy-paste, it just moves. Airtable is the storage tank. Every lead gets stored as a clean card on a Kanban board. Name, email, phone, service, status. Organized, searchable, beautiful on mobile. And Slack is the alarm bell. The second a lead lands in Airtable, you get a notification on your phone. Not an hour later, not when you check your email, instantly. Here's what that looks like in real life. John fills out your roofing form at 2:14 p.m. By 2:14 p.m. and 3 seconds, his card is already in your Airtable CRM, and your phone buzzes with a Slack message. New lead, John M. Roofing Repair, Chicago. His phone number right there. You call John at 2:15. John is impressed. John becomes a customer. That's the system, and we're going to build the whole thing from scratch in the next 10 minutes. Let's go. Now that you've seen how all 4 pieces connect, let's spend 60 seconds on each one, because I want you to know exactly what you're signing up for before we start building. Tally, the faucet. It's a form builder. Your customers fill it out, their info flows straight into the pipe. Unlimited forms, unlimited submissions, completely free. No credit card, no trial period, free forever. Make.com. The pipe. This is the automation engine that moves data between your apps automatically. Free plan gives you 1,000 operations per month. For a small business, getting 10 to 50 leads a month, that's more than enough. If you grow and need more, paid plans start at $9 a month. Airtable, the storage tank. This is where every lead lands as its own record. Name, email, phone, service requested, status. The free plan holds up to 1,000 records per base. You can view everything as a grid, a Kanban board, or a calendar right on your phone. And because it has a built-in API, Make.com can write directly into it. No copy-paste, ever.
And your alarm bell, Slack or Gmail, both free. Slack is the better choice if you have a team. Gmail is the easier choice if you work solo and just want leads hitting your inbox. Same notification, different delivery. Pick one, it doesn't matter. So the total cost to run this entire system from day one, $0 a month. You can upgrade later when the business demands it, but right now, free is more than enough. Let's build it. Step 1. Airtable. We're building the storage tank first. This is where every lead will live permanently. Head over to airtable.com and hit Sign Up for Free in the top right corner. Fastest way in, continue with Google. One click and you're inside. Here's your workspace. Empty for now, but not for long. Click Create a Base, then Start from Scratch. Airtable drops you into a default table. We're going to shape it into a proper lead CRM. First, rename the base. Double-click the name at the top and call it Lead CRM. Now the columns. The first one is already there. Rename it to Name and leave it as single-line text. Next, add an email column. Set the field type to email so Airtable validates the format automatically. Then, phone. Field type phone number. Then, service. What does the customer actually need? Keep it as plain text. Then, message. Switch this one to long text so full inquiries don't get cut off. Last column, status. Set it to single select and add 3 options: new, in progress, and done. This is how you'll track every lead through your pipeline without a single sticky note. Delete any leftover default columns you don't need. Keep it clean. That's your CRM. 6 columns. Every lead that comes in from this point forward will land right here as its own record. One more thing while we're still in Airtable. Let's add a Kanban view. This is what turns your plain table into a visual pipeline. In the left panel, find Views and click Create. Choose Kanban. When it asks which field to group by, select Status. And just like that, your leads are organized into 3 columns: New, In Progress, and Done. Every submission shows up as a card. You drag it to update the status. No typing, no filters, no confusion. This is the view you'll actually use every day. Let me add a few test leads so this looks real. John, Mike, Sarah, different services, different jobs. Now just drag each lead to where it stands. New job, working on it, all done. That's your entire pipeline. No spreadsheet, no sticky notes. Every new lead that comes in through your form lands here automatically. You always know where each job stands, at a glance, on any device. Step 2. Tally. Time to build the faucet. This is the form your customers fill out, the entry point for every new lead. Storage tank is ready. Now we need the faucet, the form your customers actually fill out. Open a new tab and go to tally.so. Sign up. Google is the fastest route. One click and you're in. Click Create Form, then Start from Scratch. First thing, give it a title your customers will see. Something like, Get a free quote. Simple, clear, direct. Now the fields. Type a / to bring up the menu. Add a short answer and label it Name. Then an email field. Label it Email. Then a phone number field. Phone. Then another short answer. What service do you need? And finally, a long answer field labeled Message, so customers have room to explain what they actually need. Hit Publish in the top right corner. Your form is now live on the internet. Copy the link. This is what goes on your website, your Google profile, your Instagram bio, anywhere a potential customer might find you.
Step 3. Make.com. This is the pipe. We're going to connect Tally and Airtable and make data flow between them automatically.
Faucet is live. Storage tank is ready. Now we build the pipe that connects them. Go to make.com, click Get Started Free, and sign up. Once you're in, this is your dashboard. Think of it as the control room for your entire lead operation. On the left, click Scenarios, then Create a new scenario. You'll land on an empty canvas with a big plus sign in the center. That's your starting point. Click the plus and search for Tally. Select the trigger Watch Responses. This module fires every time someone submits your form. It's the sensor at the top of the pipe. Click Add to connect your Tally account and hit Allow. Then, pick the form we just built from the dropdown. Now add the second module. Click the plus next to Tally, search for Airtable, and choose Create a Record. This is the module that pours the lead data into your storage tank. Click Add to connect Airtable. We'll need an access token. Open a new tab and go to airtable.com/create/tokens. Click Create Token, give it a name, then add 3 scopes. Data.records:"write", data.records:"read", and schema.bases:"read". Now the part most people miss. Scroll down to the Access section and click Add a Base. Select your lead CRM base, or choose All Current and Future Bases if you want to keep things simple. If this section is empty, Make won't see anything, so don't skip it. Hit Create, copy the token, paste it into Make, and save. Now select your lead CRM base and the table. Then comes the most important part, mapping. This is where you tell Make which field goes where. Name to name, email to email, phone to phone, service to service, message to message. Each Tally field connects to its matching Airtable column. That's how data lands in exactly the right slot every single time. Step 4, the alarm bell. The moment a lead comes in, you get notified instantly. We'll set this up in Slack, and I'll show you the Gmail version right after, so you can pick whichever fits your workflow. 2 modules down, 1 to go. Now we connect the alarm bell. Click the plus next to Airtable, search for Slack, and choose Create a Message. Connect your Slack workspace and click Allow. Select the channel where you want lead alerts to land. I recommend creating a dedicated one. Call it New Leads so it never gets lost in the noise. Now write your alert message. Keep it short and useful, something like New Lead. Then drop in the name, phone, and service fields. That way, every notification tells you exactly who's calling and what they need before you even pick up the phone. 3 modules: Tally, Airtable, Slack. The full pipeline is connected. Not a Slack user? No problem. We can send lead alerts straight to your inbox instead. If you've already added the Slack module, right-click it and delete it. Then click the plus next to Airtable and search for Gmail. Choose the action Send an Email. Click Add to connect your Google account, pick your account from the pop-up, and hit Allow. Now fill in the fields. In the To field, enter your own email address. This is where every lead alert will arrive. For the subject line, type New Lead, and then drop in the name field from Tally, so you instantly see who it is without even opening the email. In the content area, write something like, "You got a new lead." Then map in the name, email, phone, service, and message fields below it. Full lead details delivered straight to your inbox, formatted and ready to read. 3 modules: Tally, Airtable, Gmail. Same pipeline, different alarm bell. Step 5. The live test. We submit a real lead and watch the whole system fire. If the green lights come on, we're done. Everything is connected. Time to see if it actually works. Click Run Once at the bottom left. This arms the scenario. Make is now listening for the next submission. Open your Tally form link in a new tab and submit a test lead. Use your own name, a real email, whatever you like. Hit Submit. Jump back to Make. Green check marks across all 3 modules. That means data moved through the entire pipe without a single error. Open Airtable. There's your test lead, saved as a fresh record. Name, email, phone, service, message, all in the right columns, exactly where they belong. Now check your alarm bell. If you set up Slack, open your New Leads channel. The notification is already there. If you went with Gmail, open your inbox. Clean email, full lead details waiting for you. Last step, flip the scenario toggle to On and set the schedule to Immediately. That's it. Your lead machine is live. From this moment on, every customer who fills out your form gets captured automatically, stored permanently, and lands on your phone within seconds, whether you're on a job, in a meeting, or asleep. The system works. You don't have to. Now you've seen the full system. Tally catches the lead, Make moves it, Airtable stores it, and you get notified the second it arrives. 20 minutes of setup, $0 a month, and your business never misses a lead again. Now, if you'd rather skip the setup entirely and just have the finished automation ready to import, we built a blueprint file for exactly that. It's a ready-made make.com scenario. You import it in one click, map your fields, and you're live in under 10 minutes. No building from scratch, no guesswork. The blueprint also includes the Airtable base template, pre-built with all the right columns and a Kanban view, so your CRM is ready the moment you paste in the link. You can grab both at the link on our Gumroad page, $49 one time. The link is in the description below. And if you'd rather have someone just handle the whole thing for you, we offer a done-for-you setup service. We build the form, the automation, the CRM, test everything, and hand it to you fully working, starting at $300. Send us an email and we'll get back to you within 1 business day. The address is in the description. In the next video, we're going 1 level deeper. I'll show you how to automatically qualify your leads before you even call them back. The SMS asks a question. The answer goes straight into your Airtable CRM. You call back already knowing the job size, the timeline, and the budget. That video is coming next. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. If this saved you time today, hit the like button. It takes 1 second and it helps more business owners find this channel. See you in the next one.